Hi, this is Tina Cherry coming live at you from our sports arena where we have the World Arm Wrestling Championship. Our two top contenders are Hawk. Okay, Hawk, do you have any strategies on beating this guy tonight? How do you think you'll do?
I think I'll do real good. When I turn my head around, it's like a truck.
Wow. And our other contender, Steel! Okay, your opponent, Hawk, seems pretty confident. So what are your strategies for beating him tonight?
I'm the man, Steel. Check out his tongue, man. Yeah.
Now watch as we get ready for the pose down. Are we ready to rumble? This championship, Mr. Don King.
They're two good arm wrestlers, but good luck to both of them. And back to you, T.
Thank you. And back to you.
Yeah, man, what's up?
Run.
Nowhere to run, baby. Nowhere to hide. Got
Well, then I'm gonna lick you up.
Nowhere to run, baby. Nowhere to hide. Got nowhere to run, baby. Nowhere to hide. Not love I'm running from. It's the heartaches I know will come. 'Cause I know you're no good for me. But you become a part of me. Everywhere I go, you're part of me. Every step I take, you take with me. Yeah. Nowhere to run, baby. Nowhere to hide. I got nowhere to run, baby. Nowhere to hide. I know you're no good for me. But being abused, I'll never be. Each night as I sleep, into my arms you creep. I wake up feeling so sorry I met you. Hoping soon that I will forget you. When I look in the mirror to come out.
Hi, this is Tina Cherry, and we're still here live, following our contenders who took off after a big uproar. And they're coming to the temple grounds now. And we're following them live. Here they go. We don't know what the outcome will be.
Whatever you're gonna do, go ahead and do it.
No, man. No, it's not like that, man. It's just hold it, man.
Yeah, good run, man.
Good run, man. So, man.
And we're out of here.